Okay, hey guys, today I'm gonna open my Minecraft walkie-talkie watches.
Boxing Day.
2 walkie-talkie watches, 1 USB charging cable, 1 user guide.
Where did you get it from?
You, and it was from Superstore.
Yeah. When did we buy that?
Superstore.
When did we buy that?
It was on December, I think.
Yeah, but we only unboxing it on Boxing Day.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna help. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Bro, you scratched the box.
Hindi na natin ito pwede isole kasi wala na yung receipt. Let's pause. This is how we pause the video. At least meron na sa Apple.
Play with.
No! It's the opposite.
No, look.
Show mo muna sa
No, look,
kanan.
it's falling out of place. So it's... See?
And show it like this. That's how it looks like in the box.
Mine
Which
is the green
one is
okay?
mine? How does it work? So, it has a compass.
Can I bring these to school? I don't know.
I know. Sa atin to sa bahay. So, if I'm cooking upstairs, you can walkie-talkie mo.
Bahay kubo kahit munti
Nasaan yung charger niya?
ang halaan.
Watch siya na may compass na walkie-talkie. So, ay, ang taray. May camera. Ay, may mic. This is the mic, oh. So, ayan guys, yung mic. Then, magsasalita.
There's a built-in flashlight somewhere.
Where's the built-in flashlight? And you're gonna press this to talk. Ay. This. What's this for?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Can you read the manual first?
Wait, put this on.
How to put it on? How to put it on?
You just press this.
Oh guys, may on and off dito.
Okay. Talk to it.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
No, you have to press to talk. CK, hello. Can you hear me?
CK, hello.
Can you hear me, CK?
Okay, go in the washroom.
No, you go in the washroom.
Okay.
Ang ganda guys kasi hindi ready to use na siya. Nasaan yung charger niya? May USB ano daw to eh. So ito yung mga kasama niya guys. Oh, ito yung charger. Pasok ka sa walk-in closet. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, CK? Copy, copy. Copy, copy. Charlie?
You don't need to say that.
Okay. What will I say?
Okay.
In which direction are we now?
I'm in the west.
Okay, you come here na. Tapos, kapag... Ano to? Para saan to? Oh, ito yung flashlight. Taray, survival. Magandang gift to para sa magkakapatid. Yun lang, guys.